Now coming to the next one, calculate del square f when f is equal to 3x square z minus y square z cubed plus 4x cubed y plus 2x minus 3y minus 5 at the point 1, 1, 0. Now we are going to find out del square f means we have to use the Laplacian operator. Laplacian operator means dou square by dou x square plus dou square by dou y square plus dou square by dou z square. Here given f is equal to, it is a scalar point function. Therefore, we have to apply the Laplace operator for this one. Del square f is equal to dou square by dou x square plus dou square by dou y square plus dou square by dou z square of f. Now that is equal to, we have to find out this separately, dou f by dou x, dou f square by dou square f by dou x square. Similarly, the remaining two also. First, we have to calculate dou f by dou x. Now, dou by dou x of f. F means here 3x square z minus y square z cubed plus 4x cubed y plus 2x minus 3y minus 5. Now differentiating partially with respect to x, it takes place, that is equal to derivative of x square is equal to 2x. 2 into 3 is equal to 6xz plus 12x square y plus 2. Now again differentiating partially with respect to x, that is dou square f by dou x square, that is equal to 6z plus 24xy. Again with respect to y, dou f by dou y is equal to dou by dou y of 3x square z minus y square z cubed plus 4x cubed y plus 2x minus 3y minus 5. That is equal to minus 2yz cubed plus 4x cubed minus 3. Again differentiating partially with respect to y, dou square f by dou y square is equal to minus 2z cubed. Now again dou f by dou z is equal to dou by dou z of 3x square z minus y square z cubed plus 4x cubed y plus 2x minus 3y minus 5. That is equal to, with respect to z means 3x square minus 3y square z square. Again differentiating partially with respect to z, that is dou square f by dou z square is equal to minus 6y square z. Now substituting in the above equation 1, therefore del square pi is equal to 6z plus 24xy minus 2z cubed minus 6y square z, and substituting the values of x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1, z is equal to 0. In this one, finally we get del square f is equal to 24. And again we move to the next problem. Now show that del square of f of r is equal to f double dash of r plus 2 by r into f dash of r. Now coming to the solution, del square of f of r is equal to, we have to take for the simplicity summation, that is equal to summation dou square by dou x square of f of r, that is equal to summation of dou by dou x of dou by dou x of f of r. Now that is equal to summation dou by dou x of, first differentiating f of r with respect to x means f dash of r into dou r by dou x, and also we know that value of dou r by dou x is equal to x by r, that is equal to summation dou by dou x of f dash of r into x by r. Here it is the product of two functions. We know that r square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square. Dou r by dou x is equal to x by r. Similarly, dou r by dou y is equal to y by r. Dou r by dou z is equal to z by r. Applying the value in the above we have. Therefore, again differentiating partially the second term with respect to dou x. Now del square of f of r is equal to summation f dash of r into r minus x into dou r by dou x by r square plus f double dash of r into dou r by dou x into x by r. Then next, that is equal to summation f dash of r minus x into x by r, because dou r by dou x is equal to x by r. Here we have to take the value of like this, divided by r square, plus summation f double dash of r into x by r into dou r by dou x is equal to again x by r. X by r into x by r is equal to x square by r square. Here r square take as a LCM, r into r square minus x square by r square, and you have to take the divide outside that one, summation f dash of r by r square into r square minus, here here is r is there, here r square is there, therefore finally we have to take combining these two, r cubed is there, r square minus x square plus summation f double dash of r into x square by r square. Now adding the three terms, omitting the summation, we have to take place like this, that is equal to f dash of r by r cubed into, this is related to first one, this is related to the second one, this is related to third one, r square plus r square plus r square is equal to 3r square minus of x square plus y square plus z square is equal to r square, that is 3r square minus r square is equal to 2r square. Therefore, we have to write this one as 3r square minus r square is equal to 2r square. Therefore, finally 2 by r into f dash of r plus f double dash of r. Therefore, del square of f of r is equal to 2 by r into f dash of r plus f double dash of r. And again we move to the next problem.